Hey guys, that BV Matson here, and today we got to deal with some stripped bolts on this side cover. Now, I already got one free, so I'm feeling pretty victorious today. You know, when you strip these out, when you're using your impact driver and you strip them out, you really only got one choice. What I find is go get your Dremel, and we're going to need to cut a ridge into the screw or the bolt, whatever you want to call it. You're just going to have to grind it down and cut a slot in it so that you can get, you know, a flat head in here. All right. I don't know why the hell they made these Phillips head on these. You know, they are really prone to fall out. So all you're going to do is get a Dremel, get your little cutting bit on it. All right. And we're just going to dig a trough. All right, let's do it. Let's see which one can you see the best. Let's go with this one right here. Slowly start digging a trough. Take your time. You don't want to go and roll over onto the actual chrome or onto the aluminum head, because you're going to have to sand out any scratches you put in it. So just slowly try and get a nice deep hex head in it. Or a straight flat head right in it. Feel like I'm at the dentist. One thing I'll also say is that, you know, the deeper the trough that you can get, the better. I think I'm pretty close here to be able to get a good bite on it when I hit it. So again, what we're going to do, use an impact driver. Don't just use a screwdriver. But we should be able to drop this right in there. All right, let's see if we get any luck here. Kind of tricky with the camera in the way here. Just like that. We got that bad boy. There you go. That's how you do it, guys. The easiest thing, just go get your Dremel and cut a slot in it. Now, of course, we're going to have to get new bolts. But that ain't no big deal. We got to get the cover off in order to polish this head. So again, just cut a trough. Here you can see, you know, the troughs that I dug into these two to get them off. Use the impact driver. This tool, if you're working on these bikes, you absolutely have to have one of these. All right. Use the impact driver and they'll come out. It's just these Phillips heads on these. They're a pain in the butt. Hope you found this useful. If you enjoy the videos, enjoy the channel, please subscribe. Also, follow along Instagram and Twitter at BV Matson. And don't forget to thumbs up those videos that you find useful or the ones that you enjoy. Helps me know what kind of content to create. And it also helps people find the videos. So thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this solves some of your problems, because I guarantee you at least one of these bolts on these things is going to strip, and you're going to need to get them out. And that's the best way to do it. Thanks so much for watching, guys.